Hello everyone and welcome to the Crash Test channel. The 2024 Renault 5 E-Tech proved its mettle in Euro NCAP crash tests, showcasing its robust safety features for a compact EV. In the frontal offset test, the passenger compartment remained stable, with good knee and femur protection for the driver and front passenger. However, Renault received a penalty for failing to demonstrate consistent dashboard protection for occupants of different sizes and seating positions. The driver's chest protection was also rated as marginal due to compression readings. During the full-width rigid barrier test, the rear passenger's chest protection was similarly rated as marginal, though all other critical areas received adequate or good protection. The Renault 5 excelled in side barrier and side pole impact tests, scoring maximum points with excellent protection for all critical regions. However, its far side impact performance showed room for improvement, with marginal control of body excursion and a lack of a countermeasure for occupant-to-occupant injuries. The car's safety features include a well-performing airbag system, which offers good protection against whiplash injuries for front and rear occupants. Its advanced e-call system and secondary impact prevention technology further enhance its safety credentials. Renault also demonstrated that doors and windows could be operated during a submersion event, adding another layer of safety. What are your thoughts on the Renault 5 E-Tech's safety performance? Drop a comment below and let us know which crash test you'd like us to feature next. And don't forget to subscribe for more safety insights and updates.